Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best women's Air Max SC sneaker in the iconic Sailwhite colorway. If you're looking for a perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance, the Nike Air Max 95 has long been a favorite, and this iteration does not disappoint. From the moment you slip these sneakers on, you'll notice the lightweight and breathable technical mesh that keeps your feet cool, no matter how long your run or daily adventure lasts. This mesh ensures optimal ventilation, making sure your feet stay fresh and comfortable even during extended wear. One of the standout features of this sneaker is the innovative flywire cables that work together with the regular laces to provide a snug, secure fit with minimal effort. This means you can quickly adjust the shoe to your comfort level, and once tightened, the fit stays locked in place, providing stability without sacrificing comfort. What truly sets the Air Max 95 apart is the Zoom Air unit positioned under the forefoot. This technology delivers a responsive bounce with every step, enhancing your running experience or everyday walking by giving you that extra spring in your stride. The cushioning feels both plush and supportive, absorbing impact effectively to protect your feet and joints. The sole is crafted from durable rubber, providing excellent traction and long-lasting wear. Whether you're hitting the pavement or navigating urban terrain, these sneakers offer reliable grip to keep you steady and confident. On the outside, the synthetic materials create a sleek, modern look that complements the shoe's anatomical design inspiration. This sneaker honors the classic lines introduced back in 1995 while incorporating modern upgrades that meet today's performance standards. With an ankle strap height, the sneaker offers just the right amount of support around your ankle, balancing flexibility with protection. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want to move freely but also need a shoe that feels secure. Weighing just about 1.33 pounds, the Nike Air Max 95 is light on your feet, making it perfect for both athletic activities and casual, all-day wear. Whether you're pairing them with athletic gear or casual outfits, the Sailwhite colorway is versatile enough to complement a variety of styles. Overall, the Nike Air Max 95 for women is a harmonious combination of cutting-edge sneaker technology and timeless design. If you're on the hunt for a sneaker that delivers performance, comfort, and style, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.